So hello guys, I'm Karthik from 2nd-Year. So we are here for a hackathon which depends upon cybersecurity. Our mentors are from final years, who is Vasu Annaya and Daniel Annaya. From third years, Sanjay, Gautam and also Pradeep Annaya. Where today we have learned different types of networking and the tools or the topics which are based on networking. And also we have learned tools which are used to control our networking and also see the traffic of the networking. So today's hackathon was based on a CTF. The theme of the hackathon is Shark Hunt, where today we are going to learn all about networking, and also from morning session we have learned all the topics which are OSI and also Wireshark.
Hello everyone, I am Shweta from 2nd-Year Cybersecurity. Today our mentor is Vasu Annaya, Sanjay Annaya, Pradeep Annaya and Gautam Annaya. Today we learned about OSI layers which are of 7 types, and also we learned about Wireshark tool which will help us in our CTF.
Good evening everyone, myself I am Grishma Sirisha, I am from Cybersecurity branch. So today we had a session in Cybersecurity called networking. In this session we have learnt about OSA and our mentors teach us well, and we have learnt many things.
Everyone, my name is Prakash and I am from Cybersecurity. Today we have a hackathon interactive session. So in the morning session we have learned about the OSA layers of the different layers, and our mentors are Daniel Bro and Pradeep Bro Senior. And the afternoon session we have deeply covered each layer of the OSA layer and the Wireshark tool also.
Thank you so much for the session.